This is the brief on foundational theories of human growth and development. So, if you've ever wondered why we change throughout our lives, it pretty much comes down to three big schools of thought: the biological, the cognitive, and the socio-emotional. They're the essential lenses for understanding the whole thing. Okay, let's jump right in. First up, we've got biological drivers. Think genetics and evolution. Charles Darwin's whole idea was about adaptation and fitness, which, it's really just how well you're suited to your environment to survive and pass on your genes. The thinking is that our behavior is ultimately all about making sure that genetic material sticks around. Second, let's move from our genes to our minds with Jean Piaget. He said we organize our thoughts using what he called schemas. They're basically mental blueprints. And we update these blueprints in two key ways. Assimilation is when you just fit new info into a blueprint you already have. But then there's accommodation. That's when you have to actually change the blueprint itself to deal with reality. And finally, let's look at our social and emotional worlds. You've probably heard of Sigmund Freud, right? His theory focused on this unconscious conflict between the id, ego, and superego. But then you have Erikson, who was a lot more optimistic. His psychosocial theory spans 8 stages across our entire lives, and at each one, we have to resolve a core psychosocial crisis, like learning trust versus mistrust as an infant. So whether it's rooted in our genes, our thought patterns, or our social interactions, these theories are the essential frameworks for understanding the complex causes of human development.